Yeah, low gorgeous. Yeah, low gorgeous. Yeah, low gorgeous. Yeah, look, glow hitting different when you're walking.
She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. I am here with a hair video. So I just took out my last braids. If you have not seen this look, please make sure you go ahead and look in the description box where you will see the previous braid video that I did. But that style lasted for about 4 weeks, and I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and take this out. I really wasn't a fan of that style. This is what my hair looks like after it has been, unbraided and everything, all stretched out to its finest. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, there is a jungle somewhere in the middle of my roots here. You will see in a bit. Because that last hairstyle was so drying, you better believe that your girl lost a lot of hair, and I will not get those type of braids again. No, because you got to use wrapping hair to wrap your own hair, so your hair is not breathing at all. It's actually suffocating. Alright, so enough playing around with my hair. Let's go ahead and add some water before, after. Whoa, what is that? Shrinkage is celebrating. I am type 4. I got A, B, C, D, E, F, G hair, and it's all in the type 4 range. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like when it's washed out, and I'm getting ready to show you what the aftermath is. Alright, so I just washed my hair, got shampoo, and this is how much hair I've lost. Alright, honey, so let's add some protein back into my hair, and let's give my hair some loving, tender loving care. Okay, so this Afro G, I am going to sit under the dryer, but I did take the plastic cap off, and I am using this little hooded dryer that I got off of Amazon. It will be in my Amazon storefront because my daughter gave away my other hair dryer when we were moving. All right, so this is the next day of what my hair looks like. I did not stretch it out at all. So right now my hair, it is matted, baby. When I say it's matted, it is matted. Only thing I added was some oil, but honey, you can't even tell I added that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get busy. But first, let me give you a little length check. I think it was June, so June 6, 7, 8. So 8 months, okay? 8 months post big chop, and this is how long my hair is. All right, so I decided to skip over the steps of me actually doing this process, but I tried to be as quick as possible. I will not do this style, braiding part style format again, because I use the rubber bands to pull the ends to the next block. And honey, I won't do that again. So Tamika, stay still so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I won't do that again because it's literally pulling on my edges, and I didn't leave any edges out this time. Yes, you see that price, $1.99. Honey, I had a field day. My husband was like, why didn't you just collect the whole box? They had hair for $1.99, okay? $1.99. I went to another hair store before getting this one, and they wanted $9.99 for the same exact length. I said, no, let me go to my other hair store that I like to go to, and baby, I looked up and found $1.99. Hopefully they got more, because I need to go there today and get some more hair. I used a total of 7 packs out of 8. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that hair. I thought it would be too youngish looking on me, but actually I'm feeling this one. This is more me and my style, flirty and cute, and just bouncy and bubbly. That's what I like about it. I chose to get all black instead of color. They did have a few color in there, but at the hair store, but it was very limited. So I was like, let me just get just one basic color. Just get black. And I like black because black looks chic. I am about to be a bald scallywag. So if you have not joined my membership, what are you waiting for? This membership, you will see a whole lot of workout videos, and it will be unedited videos for the most part. And my 3 channel members, my besties, yeah, Miss Toy the Review, Miss Toy the Review, Miss Kim J, Miss Kim J, Miss Jerlene, Those are my 3 besties on my membership. Okay. There will be some other things that I will add in there, like little, like, hey girl, what you doing? This is what I'm doing today. Blah 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 blah. Like stuff like that. But for the most part, it is like straight exercise. Okay. Do I got a bag? Like, did I get in a fight? Goodness. All right. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this vlog off. It is Sunday. Girl, let me get you the time. Okay. It is February 22nd. Okay. Ain't she pretty? She's cute. One of my friends and her husband, they were hosting a worship night service at a venue, and I was supposed to attend, but I didn't go. And yeah, if you don't know, my friends could sing. They are singers, and we were supposed to have, well, they had their worship night service, but I didn't go last night. But yeah, I have a headache. I'm not going to have any edges by the morning. I've literally been like rocking myself because it's like, girl, why didn't you leave edges out like I did last time? I have edges, okay, because these bad boys is tight. See you tomorrow.